ChatGPT for Excel add-in can be used to automate tasks, gain valuable insights, and save time and efforts. To install the add-in, navigate to the Developer tab. Click on Add-ins. Search for ChatGPT for Excel. Click Add and continue. In this tutorial, we will explore the AI.table function. You can use AI.table to create a table with data. As you see, the function has 4 arguments. But just the first prompt argument is required. I have a request to create a table of the 20 largest countries along with their respective capital city. Write the function AI.table. For the first argument, select the request. Wait for a few seconds as ChatGPT generates the results. ChatGPT swiftly populates the table with the desired countries and their corresponding capital cities. In the next example, we will also provide the second argument, headers. The request is again to create a table of the 20 largest countries along with their respective capital city and currency. For the first argument, select this request. For the headers, select the cells. The ChatGPT have generated the table with the information that we need. With ChatGPT for Excel, data filling becomes a quick and straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.